headset that doesn't feel like a heavy helmet after hours of playing, you need to check out the Logitech G321 Lightspeed headset. The first thing you notice is just how lightweight it is. I think it comes in around 210 grams, which combined with the memory foam ear cups and all that, these feel great. They're super comfortable. They're adjustable. Functionality wise, it gives you the best of both worlds. You get Logitech's Lightspeed wireless tech that gets you zero lag to your PC through Bluetooth, but also means pairs easily with your phone or mobile gaming or music without needing a separate pair of headphones. You can see here it has a little flip down mic. All the button controls are nice and easy to get to, usually where you expect them to be. The audio has been very crisp so far. You know, especially if you're playing those games where those directional cues mean a lot to you, this is a really good feature. And you can flip the handle to mute too, which is awesome. So you know exactly when you're off air and on air. With over 20 hours of battery life, it claims. It's been fantastic so far. I've yet to run out of the battery because I keep charging mine before it needs to be, but these things are awesome. Love the look, love the feel, love the fit. But here you go, the Logitech G321 Lightspeed. These things are awesome. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.